Check out this cheap 2020 Gladiator Sport S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag rear window defroster rear sliding window no soft top, black clear coat, anti-spin differential rear axle included, tires 245/75R17 BSW automatic transmission dualer, spray and bud liner, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display and SiriusXM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112 GPS antenna input.